Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install a third-party app in Odoo. This is helpful if you want to add extra features to your Odoo system, such as payment tools, reporting apps, website extensions, sales features, inventory improvements, or other business functions that are not included in your current setup. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key limitation. The process depends on the version of Odoo you're using. In this walkthrough, we're specifically talking about Odoo Online, also known as the SaaS version. This is important because Odoo Online is designed to be managed through the cloud, so it works differently from Odoo.sh or a self-hosted Odoo setup. With Odoo Online, you cannot upload custom code or install third-party apps that come as zip files or separate modules. That means this method only works for apps that are already available in the official Odoo apps catalog. So, before you try to install anything, make sure the app is listed inside the official catalog and is supported for your Odoo version. To get started, open your Odoo database and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Apps menu. This is where Odoo lists the applications that are available for your database, including official apps and any supported listings from the catalog. You can think of this section as the main place where you add new features to your Odoo system. Go ahead and click on Apps. When the Apps page opens, use the search bar to look for the app you want to install. Be as specific as possible with the app name so you can find the correct result more quickly. For example, instead of searching for a general word like payment, you can search for the exact app name or provider name to avoid unrelated results. If needed, take a moment to review the app listing carefully. This helps confirm that you're choosing the right app for your business needs and not installing something with a similar name by mistake. It is also a good idea to check the app description, supported Odoo version, developer information, and any notes about setup requirements before you install it. Once you find the app you want, click Install. Odoo will then begin the installation process automatically. In most cases, this only takes a short time. After the installation is complete, the app should appear in your system and be ready for setup or use, depending on the type of app you installed. Some apps may work right away, while others may need extra configuration inside Settings, Website, Sales, Accounting, Inventory, or another related module. Now, here's the important part to remember. If the third-party app you want to install requires you to upload a zip file, add a custom module, or access the server files directly, you won't be able to do that in Odoo Online. This is a common point of confusion, especially when someone downloads an app from outside Odoo and expects to upload it manually. That type of installation is not supported in the SaaS version because it does not provide access to the underlying codebase. Odoo Online is more controlled and managed, which makes it easier to maintain, but it also limits advanced customization options. If that's your situation, then you'll need to use Odoo.sh, EOSH, or a self-hosted Odoo installation instead. Those options are designed for more advanced customization and allow you to add external modules and custom code. They are better suited for developers, technical teams, or businesses that need custom workflows, custom integrations, or apps that are not available in the official catalog. So, to recap, in Odoo Online, the only way to install a third-party app is by opening your database, going to Apps, searching for the app in the official catalog, and clicking Install. If the app requires uploaded code, you'll need a different Odoo hosting option. Always check your Odoo version first, because that will tell you what installation method is possible. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.